What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. Today, we want to look at volatility 75. And if you're on my free Telegram group, you'll understand that I'd actually, given a forecast that we were actually looking for massive, sell to the downside on volatility 75. Guys, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. All right, so I want to teach you something that you must always look for once you get to these areas. I call them areas of interest, for on a higher time frame, maybe daily time frame, weekly, monthly, whatever it is. These areas of double tops or double bottom. So you can see that once we got here in this level here where the marked, I was actually looking for this market to move to the downside. But there's something that happened over here, and that is what I want to explain to you guys. And if you've watched my videos, you understand. And this is actually what we call go-to setups. Once I see the market behaving this way, I know that whatever is following is going to be a massive move to the downside if I'm looking for sells, and to the upside if I'm looking for buys. And you can see this move alone, it actually moved 9,308 pips. So you can see from the daily time frame, that is what we are looking at. Of course, I was actually looking for this market to play to this level. These are actually levels of which I was looking for reactions, and the reactions, either the market breaks or actually reverses. So this level over here, this level over here, this level over here, and this level over here, because you see the market has actually been respecting this supporting trend line. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, that is the reason why I drew my trend line. You see that the market the market started from here, actually came, bounced off this level, went up again, bounced off this level. Now the market has gone up all the way, and as we are getting this level over here, you can see the market is trying to do what? The market is trying to go back to the upside. Is that trying to be to act bullish? So but what I want to explain is this pattern over here now, and this is actually what we call mass psychology. Because what happens is that the moment, let's say for example, you are trading support and resistance, let me place it a bit like that, most people will actually say that this this double top over here has been invalidated. Once this market broke out, did a retest, and continue moving to the upside, of which, well, you could have gotten some pips here. All right, could have actually gotten some pips here, looking around maybe 2,300 or 230, something like. Could have actually gotten some few pips over here. But look at what happened. The market came back very strongly, actually not draw down to the downside. So on the 1-hour time frame, once we got here, you can see that we came back. Then once we broke this level over here, I was actually, that's where initially my trend line was. What I was looking for, I was looking for this pattern over here. Before I knew that this market is, I was looking for this kind of pattern, ascending pattern with actually 3 points. Sometimes it plays 2 points, but I was looking for a 3 point multi-touch confirmation on this pair. Then I knew that from there we were actually going to be going fully to the downside. And you can see what happened. We had the first touch, second touch, then of course we actually had to involve this structure on the third touch. And then what happens on the third touch? Immediately after there, we are seeing a massive move to the downside of 9,000, around 9,500 pips. So this is something that we will actually maximize on. And look, even if maybe this was not clear, then you can see that even up somewhere around up here, it gave us another, if I clone this, it gave us another structure over here. All right, so this is one. If maybe you are not able to get it up here, and you can see, if let's say even on the third touch you had placed your line over here, you could have actually either be taken out here on break even, or wait for a double touch, a double top, another double top, confirmation over here, because the market did not break this level over here, then enter, or wait at the breakout. And you can see at the breakout here, we had an impulse move, then we had this impulse move, then we had this kind of correction. If you go to lower time frame, you'll see it clearly over here. Then after there, you are seeing that we had a massive breakout. Look at this candlestick over here, of which could have still entered here and come all the way. Or if maybe you're not able to maximize on that as well, you see that this market, once we got here, sorry, let me take this one out. Once we got here, you can see that it gave us what? It gave us that pattern over there. So immediately we came inside, these are our double, top formation line. You can see that we had what? We had this flag over here that has 1, 2, and 3 touches, followed by an engulfing candlestick, of which could have still entered here and then maximize on this move all the way to the downside. So you can see that this is very massive, and I want you to be looking out for this kind of pattern. So you see that even if you're not able to get it at the top here, you could have still gotten it at the breakout here. If not, gotten it at the breakout of this, this bigger pattern that we are looking forward to. Okay, and if not that breakout here, then still here there was another pattern here, that of which could have still looked for 1, 2, 3 on the third touch. You enter and still maximize this move to the downside. So I want you guys to be very keen. Anytime we get to a double top or a double bottom formation, always look out for when the market is trying to give, when the market plays something like, it's breaking out, try always to look for this kind of pattern. The moment you see this kind of pattern, know that there's a great massive move that is following. And you can see here, if you're able to get this thing from the top here, we are looking at approximately 9,500 pips. So that is the strategy, guys, I'm talking about. This kind of a pattern over here. If you want to learn more about this and how to actually see it, you can join my Telegram group. I have a Discord VIP whereby I normally do classes and everything. I can teach you in depth on how to go about this. You can hit me up on that. So thank you so much, guys, for your love. Remember to like, to subscribe, to turn on the notification bell, to share, to leave us a comment below on where you're watching us from, your name and where you're watching us from, and we'll be happy to read and to reply to you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.